Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing very well. Today going to share a very healthy and a tasty breakfast recipe. That's how to make super soft perfect puttu at home with important tips and tricks. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. So for making puttu, here I have taken a glass of puttu podi. It's also known as puttu flour. It's a coarsely grounded rice flour. Now to this we're going to add around 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. With 1 glass of puttu podi, we can easily make around 3 to 4 medium sized puttus. Now take warm water and sprinkle gradually and mix and crumble it with fingertips. Remember, do not knead the flour. We just need to crumble as shown. Break off all the lumps and continue to crumble. The amount of water depends on the quality of the puttu flour. Here for 1 glass, I've used around half to 3/4 glass of water. We need to crumble and make flour moist. So sprinkle little water and mix it well. A quick tip on how to check if flour is ready. When you gently press a portion of flour, it should form a shape as you can see here. And when you press it again, it should easily break. That's when the puttu flour is ready. It's a perfect texture. Just press and it forms a shape and breaks easily when pressed again. Now allow it to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. And we also need grated coconut. This freshly grated coconut around 1 cup. For making puttu, here I am using a puttu maker, also known as puttu kodam or vessel. It has 2 parts. The bottom one is the base that's used for heating water, and this cylindrical part is for steaming puttu. When you open it, you see a perforated disc like a save maker disc, which is placed inside this cylindrical container. When you place it inside, it's through which the steam passes and puttu gets cooked. Now let's start making puttu. For that, add around 3 cups of water in this base vessel and we place it for boiling. Keep flame on medium high and allow the water to come to a boil. Meanwhile, let's start filling the layers. For that, firstly add 2 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut at the bottom layer as you can see here. Then add puttu flours over it. Keep adding it until it reaches half of the cylinder. Once it reaches the half, then again add 2 tablespoons of grated coconut and spread it evenly. Now we're going to top it again with the puttu flour. And once it's filled, cover the top portion with 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. Do not skip this step. Ensure the bottom, middle and the top is layered with grated coconut. Now cover it and place it over the base vessel. Make sure water is boiling before placing it. Now keep flame on medium and allow puttu to cook on steam. In around 8 to 10 minutes, puttu will be ready. Initially, in 2 to 3 minutes, you see steam starts to release from the top vent. Continue to steam for few more minutes. After 8 to 10 minutes, switch off the flame as the puttu is ready. And remove the cylindrical part carefully. A quick tip on how to easily remove this part is to hold it with a cloth as shown and tap the base part with a spatula and it easily comes off. Now allow it to sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Now let me show you how to remove the puttu easily. With the help of a rolling pin or a skewer, gently push the disc from behind. And you can see a very delicious, super healthy puttu will come off easily. See how soft and perfect the texture looks? If you follow these simple steps, you may make delicious puttu easily at home. My family loves to have it with coconut milk along with sugar or jaggery. It's also popularly had with kadala curry, that's a black chickpeas curry, and also with banana and papad. You may enjoy whichever way you like, either with coconut milk and sugar for sweeter version or with your favorite curry or stew for spicy savory taste. In all ways, it tastes extremely delicious. Look how soft and perfect this looks. Hope you enjoyed this healthy breakfast recipe. If so, please hit the like button, and for more healthy and useful videos, do subscribe and stay connected. Soon we'll be coming up with another interesting video. Until then, take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. Bye bye.